Hello, let's do one up, number 172 for Sunday, September 8th. Let's go. All right, so each row and column has been split into segments. So for example, this top row here has a segment of 4, a segment of 1, and a segment of 3. A segment of length n has the digits 1 to n, exactly once each. So we need 1 through 4 here. This has to be a 1, and we need 1 through 3 here. And that's true of columns as well. This column is not segmented at all, so it needs all of 1 through 8. All right, I'm going to start with getting these ones that are gimmies. We also have some gimmies here. This has 1 and 2, but this 1 tells us that this is 2 and this is 1. I'm just going to pencil 1, 2 here. I'm going to pencil all these 1, 2, 3s just to have them. I'm going to pencil all these 1, 2, 3s just to have them. This can't be a 2. There's a 2 in the column. This 2 also sees down. All right, this is a full column of 8 here. This is a column of 3. I don't think it sees anything. Oh, this sees 1 and 2, so this can't be 1 or 2, so it must be 3. That removes 3 from these. Okay, this is 3 or 4 for the row. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. It can't be 1, 2. This can't be a 1, so this is 2, 3, 4, and this can't be 1 either. This is 2, 3, 4. So the oops. So the only I mistyped both of these. They should have been 2, 3, 4. All right. So the only place for 1 in this row is right here. So that's 1 and that's 2. All right. Here we need 1, 3, 4. This can only be 3, 4. Let's use this 1. This can't be 4, so this is 1, 3 only. And this is all of 1, 3, 4. Okay. Might start looking at high digits. Okay, yeah, I am missing a few of these low digits. So this is a 2-cell column. This 2 tells us this is 1, this is 2. So that does remove 2 from both of these, making this 1, 3, and 4, which makes that 3 and 1. That removes 3 from both of these. This one gives us the 2, the 1, and the 3. This one gives us the 2. All right, that was good progress. It's really hard for me to just scan for these, catching all the ones that are short, but I think I got them all now. I think the next one I want to do is this one. We need 3, 4, 5. This can't be the 4, so this is 3, 5 only. This can be any of 3, 4, 5, and this can be any of 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now I want to think about high digits. We'll start with 8. So I'm just going to move through each column and see which ones need an 8 still. Like which are 8 long. So this, we need an 8 here, an 8 here. So columns 1 and 2. Not this one, not this one. This one needs an 8. This one needs an 8. So we're going to have 4 8s in the grid. So we should have 4 rows that can support 8s as well. This row can support an 8. So which of these columns can it provide an 8 for? It can provide an 8 for this column. I'm actually going to write, not like that. I'm going to write an 8 in each of these that can be an 8. So this row can, oh no, sorry, this row has a segment. This cannot have an 8 in it. I don't know how I missed that. In fact, this is a 1, 2. I missed that many times. I don't think it resolves though. There's no 1s or 2s seeing those. Okay. So what does this need? It needs a 4, 5. So I'm just going to mark that out. 4, 5. This can't be 4. So that's 5. That's 4. That makes that a 3. These aren't 3s. It's amazing what I'm able to just gloss over multiple times as I scan through the puzzle. This 4 sees down, making that a 5. That a 3. Oops, that's a 3. That's a 4. I have to type the correct digits. That's 2. That's 4. Okay. Well, that's quite nice. So this row can provide an 8. So we could provide an 8 here, here, not here, or here. Okay. So that's where we could put an 8. This row can provide an 8 here, here, or here. Okay. This row could provide an 8 here, or here. And this row can provide an 8 here, 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 or here. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't see any like obvious things to do with this. Yeah. So we need to think a bit harder. What about where 7 goes in this column? Because it needs a 7. And this given 7 and this given 7, take it out of these two. So actually the 7 goes here. Now, what else needs a 7? This row has a 7, this row has a 7. There should be 4 rows, right? That are, did I miscount the columns as well? This column, that's 2. 3 columns. I must have also missed. I must have misscanned one of the columns. Okay, so there's only 3 8s in the grid. Wait, I do have 4 rows marked as 8. Hold on. No, it's these two. Yeah, these two and these two. Okay, sorry, I miscounted when I double checked the second time. Yikes. Okay. Well, this row needs a 7. It has one. This row does need a 7. It can't get it from here. Can't get it from here. So this is where the 7 goes. All right, and then this bottom row has a 7 already. So now we should think about 6s. Now 6 we have to be careful because there might be some rows that support 6. Like this row supports a 6. In fact, needs one. So does this segment here needs a 6. Okay. What should I do here? We just need a 6-8 pair here. 6-8, 6-8. This column, we have 1, 2. We need a 3 in this column. This is the only place for 3 in this column. Because this sees this 3 and this sees that 3. Okay, so here's our 3. And then we're left with 5, 8. I don't think that's resolved. All right, how about this column? We need a 2 in this column. And that could only go here. Okay, so now if we look at this row, there's only one cell left marked with 8. So there's only one place left for 8 in this row. So we can place that 8, which places the 5. Okay, that was good. Now this column needs an 8, and this cannot be the 8. So this column gets its 8 from here, which means this can't be 8. In fact, this row finishes with a 6. Nice. All right, we're making progress here. This cell here, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 6. So this is our 6. Okay, so the rest of this row is 1, 3, 5. This can't be the 1. So this is 3, 5. This can't be the 3. So this is 1, 5. And I think this can be any of 1, 3, 5. All right. This column, we have 1, we need 2, 3. Okay, 2 is placed. This 2 sees here, this 2 sees here. So that's our 2. We need 3, 4. No, we have 4. We need 3, 5, 6. So this is 5, 6. This is all of 3, 5, 6. Wow, okay. 3, 5, 3, 5, 6. Wow, this puzzle's hanging on. Let's see. Is there something special about this row? We have 1, 2, 3. We need a 4, 5, 6, 8. 4, 5, 6, 8. This can't be the 6. So this is 4, 5, 8. Okay, this can't be 6, or this can only be up to 5. So this is 4, 5 only. And then this can't be 4 because there's a 4. So this is 5 or 6, but it can't be 8. I can't say that's where 6 goes, or 5. What about this row? We have 1, 2, 3 already, so we need 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. This is only 5 length, so that's a 4, 5 pair. Let's put 4, 5, 6 in here. This is 5, 6 only. Yeah, we have a 5, 6 pair and a 4, 5 pair. Oh, this is going to do a lot. Okay, so this 4, 5 pair here, basically, we know one of these will be 4, one of these will be 5, because they can't be the same digit as each other. And so one will end up 4, one will end up 5. So this can't be the 5. And then this is a 5, 6 pair, so we still need 1, 2, and 3 in this column. This can't be 5 or 6, because the 5 and 6 are up here. But this sees 1, 2, 5, 6 now, and 4, so it can only be 3. That sees over removing this 3, placing this 3 for that column segment, giving us the 1 and the 5. This 1 can't be here or here. So this is 2, this is 3. This 2 gives us the 1. This 3 gives us 1 and 2. Nice. Okay. So let's mark up what this can be. This is 5, 6, 8. Do we see any of that? We see the 5. So 5 goes here in this row. Can't be here because of that 5. Can't be here because of that 5. Okay, so that's 5. That's 6. That gives us the 5 and 6 here, which gives us the 4 and 5 here. So this can't be... Oh, this 6 looks over, giving us 8 and 6. That gives us the 8, and our last digit's a 4. And we're done. All right. It took a bit of time. This Sunday's always the hardest of the week. Usually, it tries to be the hardest of the week. I should put it that way. Cool. Well, I enjoyed that one. I think, yeah, focusing on the low digits until we kind of ran out of what to do there, and then working backwards from the high digits seemed to help quite a bit. Especially thinking about 7 at the very beginning. Or 8 wasn't helpful right away, but 7 was helpful, and then 6, working our way down, and then eventually 8 was helpful. And having it marked where 8s could go helped me find those 8s later as I reduced things. So cool. Hope you enjoyed this, and how'd you do?